Hello guys, I'm Ibrahim Ismail from IT Soft channel. In this video we are going to explain how to automate installation of Linux system instead of installation from scratch. In this lesson we're gonna explain KickStart utility, which is used to automate the process of installation for any Linux system. Okay, let's go. First of all, you should install this package. Just type yum install system-conf-kickstart. Now checking for dependencies, type yes. Okay, now the tool has been installed successfully. You should do some prerequisite on your server. Now check that Sftp service is already up and running. Just type system ctl states vsftpd. Okay, vsftp service is already active and enabled. And the reason why we enabled this service is that the client will fetch an answer file created by KickStart tool to automate the installation of a system. Means that you are not required to go through any machine to install system step by step. But if you automate this, the client will be redirected to an answer file to begin an installation automatically without any interference from root user. So how to do that? Just we need to create an answer file, but there is an built-in answer file on Linux which name is Anaconda. Just try to cd root / okay ls Anaconda is here, vim ana tab. Okay, this is the answer file created by system, and this lesson we will create the file like that. Okay, but how to create that? Just try. Okay, just type system-conf-kickstart and hit enter. Okay, this is the KickStart configurator. We answer these questions and finally we save this answer to a file called answer file and rename it with any name you want. Okay, and the purpose for that, the client will fetch this file. Once client fetches this file, he will be able to install the system. Okay, this is the wizard appear to you while installing a system from scratch. Okay, basic configuration English, an installation method you are gonna install from FTP, and type the FTP server IP, which is 192.168.1.5, FTP directory. Okay, pub. I mounted our DVD under /pub. How to check that? df-h. Okay, our DVD is mounted under pub. This which is installation source. Okay, bootloader option. I install new bootloader partition information. Just we need to clear master boot record and initialize disk label, then add okay / and type size 20 gig in format, and then add another layout slash boot, which is size is 200 megabytes. Then add swap file, size must be twice as in memory size, which is 2046, and okay, press okay. Network configuration, let's add a network device, Ethernet 0, network type, it's enabling DHCP authentication. Authentication in this case is SHA password. The password is hashed by SHA 520. Firewall configuration, let's disable SE Linux and disable firewall. But if you want to enable it, and you can enable specific ports, display configuration, okay, install a graphical package section. But unfortunately in this card configurator we don't have a package selection, so we will edit this package selection or package section in the KickStart generated file, and we should copy this section from built-in answer file, which is name is Anaconda. Pre-installation script. This feature used to run a script before installation, and post-installation script, or also this feature used to run a script after installation. Just need now already finished the answers file, hit file and then save. Okay, we're gonna save this file on /ftp. Where's ftp? var under ftp. Okay, okay, save. Okay, now answer file has been saved. How to edit the answer file? Just hit vim /var/ftp /ks.cfg. Okay, this is the answer file we created using wizard. Okay, this is our ftp ib and folder. But as you see that no any package section. See, we should copy this section from Anaconda answer file, then paste the commands for package selection to ks.cfg answer file. Okay, how to do that? Just vim /root/anaconda. Okay, like hit I to insert. Okay, this is the section for the package. Just copy this line and paste to okay. Now try to open another terminal to edit our answer file, which created by KickStart tool. Vim /var/ftp /ks.cfg. Sorry. Okay, this is our file. Now just type I to insert. We are going to paste our package section. Okay, now save. WQ. Okay. We already have done a configuration of answer file, but how to check that answer file is valid? using this command ks validator. Okay, type pass of kickstart file slash ftp slash sorry var slash ftp slash ks.cfg. Okay, already as shown, there's no any output, means that the kickstart answer file is valid. Okay, and now we finished our task on our server. So now let's create a new virtual machine. We didn't forget anything. Okay, now okay, that's right. Okay, go home, create a new virtual machine. Next. Okay, next, change a virtual machine name to client dash kickstart and change the location. Location is under a partition F. Install dash ks. Next. Use bridge networking. Hit next and so on. Create a single file. Customize hardware. Use an ISO image. This ISO image will be used for booting only, not more. Use the client to ensure that the client already booting has successfully finished. The client will fetch the answer file to begin the installation. So no need from this ISO image after booting. Hit finish. Okay, now start to power on this virtual machine. Okay, and before this counter ends or begins the installation, hit tab. Okay, and type this command, type this line of command ks equal ftp. Now we are typing the full path for the ftp server. Okay, ftp slash double slash 192.168.1.5 slash name of our answer file. Name of our answer file is ks.cfg. Initially, this client cannot obtain an IP address from the HTTP server since the HTTP server is disabled by default. So we gonna add a static IP address to our client. Just type IP equals 192.168.1.20 net mask equals 255.255.255.0 and hit enter. Okay, we are gonna pause this video just a second and begin the installation later with me. Now system is being installed successfully. Client found a kickstart answer file and installation now starting installer. Just a moment. Okay, now everything is working fine till now. Okay, it's a wizard for installation, and make sure that you disabled SE Linux from a server. Just hit set enforce 0 and make sure that as FTP service is already working fine. systemctl states vsftpd. Okay, service is already running. Okay, now it's taking software dependencies. Once it's finished, Okay, now installation source, which is we said before FTP IP address and directory for an FTP. This is for a package and package dependencies. Server with okay, as we selected software selection. Okay, this option obtained by answer file. Okay, installation destination. I will configure partitioning. Okay, that's fine. Done. Done. Accept changes. Key dump already enabled. Done. Configure. Done. Okay. Okay, now begin the installation. Root password is not set. Okay. Okay, now installation is working fine now. No user will be created. Root password. Root password is not set. You can set a root password. But if you now remove the ISO file from a DVD, now you can proceed the installation. Now just you can remove it. Just remove an ISO file. Right. Okay. Yes. Use a physical drive. Yes. Okay. The installation does not depend on the ISO file. It depends only on answer file. Now starting package installation process. It's a password of the root again. Root. Okay, that's